country in the world.
Papabayaan mo lang siya. Ay. You can...
Cases of exploding iPhones rise in France.
Madonna gets
balik ulit, balik.
concert in Romania.
And Adona's brother sits in as judge in American Idol Season 9.
Baliktad naman to eh. Ba't baliktad ka mag-ano ng page?
From the country's culinary capital.
Di na mo ako kaliwet.
Ganito ang mga labor of love. Her cuisine handed down for generations.
Yung aming kakao, nilalagyan namin ng mani. Ito na ating ninang na may
Hello, Shai.
Heritage dishes of Chef Lillian Moromeo.
Are you reading? What are you reading?
Of the Masters.
Baby.
7:30 p.m. on Q.
What are you reading there, baby?
Sabi ni Doc, dapat hindi pabayaan. Baka lumala. Ilobis ko lagat.
Wala mo naman, talaga nagbabasa oh. Ang galing ah. Ang galing ng baby oh.
With so many choices, shouldn't you choose what's best for you? Pond's Age Miracle. Proven to reduce wrinkles and age spots in 7 days. Pond's Big Beauty Sale, August 15 to September 15. Text 7 days to 2948 for info. Brand a fine dining experience for 2 every month for a year.
Tapos na. Finish. Yes, already finished. Hello. How are you?
Finish.
How are you, baby? Yay!
You did it! You did it, baby!
You don't need to rinse all day.
Oh,
You did it!
yeah, you did it. You did it. You did it. You did it. Yes. How are you? Hello. You sing? You sing la 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 la.
Log on to WRN.ph. Watch the KFC Mom's Bucket Meal TV ad to earn 300 points and join the auction.
Ba't baliktad ka magbasa?
Meron kang karamay,
Una ka pa.
pero si nanay,
Una pa niya yung likod.
higit na gagamay. May gagawa sa sugat mo, pero si nanay, higit na magpapagaling sa'yo. Lagi siyang higit magmahal, kaya batihain niya,
Galing.
higit na nilalaman. Ang
Wala
Lord
mo
Chicken
talaga
Cubes
nagbabasa.
may up to 5 times more meat kaysa ilang panghalo sa sabaw. Kaya karne-karne ang sarap. Si nanay, higit na saya ang binibigay. Lord Chicken Cubes.
A Danmeo truck fell into a ravine in Antipolo City, killing one of its passengers and injuring 3 others. Police say the brakes malfunctioned, causing the truck to overshoot the road and plummet about 100